Italiano, Italian word of the day for today, 12 December 2025, coming from me, Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, to you is sostituire, which translates to English as replace. So something that's similar in sound and or spelling would be substitute. So this is replace. And it's to put something in the place of another thing. And so I was like, the video you've all been waiting for. I've been talking about my case and my screen protector, and I'm filming this with my iPhone XS. And so I said I'd show my case and screen protector once I had my new ones on. So I got a new leather case that's lilac color and a new screen protector. And so I have the one, this is the case that I got with my phone, and then a screen protector I got. So the case is over 6.00 years of age, and then the screen protector is like maybe 2 or 3 years of age. But here's what it approximately looked like. The case, this screen protector was a little worse for wear. I had a number of cracks on it. It was it was a little bit too big for my screen, and so it kind of pushed up along the sides. And yeah, so this is what it looked like, and then dirt, because I take it out and when I'm filming. My phone literally looks like new. It's this iPhone XS I'm filming with, and like I didn't think it was possible for it to last this long, to be quite frank. My iPhones had been about 3 or 4 years, so over 6.00 years. I was like, I'm not even going to entertain that as like a possibility, and it's done it. So it's far exceeded standards. But here's the screen protector, and then here's the case. And this is one relates to my running training. I took it out on a walk run, and I have an armband that I put in, and I wore a short sleeve t-shirt, and I came back and it had turned green from the sweat. And so I learned a lot with this case. Can see, so it's actually cracked here, if you can see that. Part of it popped off on this side and part of it popped off on that side. The covers for the buttons actually started to have the paint, like it was starting to be removed because of how much I used the buttons. Yeah, but it was for over 6.00 years of age, and I wear this when I run on my arm as I'm sweating. I do with my new one, I put it in a bag like this, so my phone can breathe. There's a hole for where the headphone jack is, and then I go like this so that it doesn't get sweat moisture on it anymore. However, like I think this is the device and the case and the phone where I've learned Apple designs some really spectacular products that do not always need to be replaced. And that has shocked me. In my phone, it's over 6.00 years of age, and it has over 70, last time I checked, over 70% of its battery capacity yet left. And that's with all of these YouTube videos I do and stuff. So what am I trying to get at? Sometimes things do need to be replaced. And sometimes, though, they far exceed one's expectations. So like in my case, this leather case, and the device I'm filming with my iPhone XS have far exceeded expectations. I thought I would need to replace or get a replacement, sostituire in Italiano, but I did not. When that time came around, I was like, it's functioning fabulously. So in English as replace, in Italiano as sostituire.